Mchuano huo umetamatika mabao 4-2. Naam, kwingineko ni kwamba kichapo ni kile kile. Mkikaa vibaya mnakula kichapo. Ndio kauli ya kocha wa timu ya taifa Harambee Stars Benni McCarthy anayesaka ushindi wake wa pili kwa mpigo katika dimba la CHAN dhidi ya Angola ugani Moi Sports Center Kasarani hapo kesho kwenye mchuano wa kundi la A.
We are very comfortable on the ball and we know our ability, so yeah, as much as they want to press, maybe it will play in our favor because, like I said, we do work a lot of playing out from the back. So once we can beat the first press and then get in behind the front three and the midfield four, and I think we'll find ourselves in decent situations. Then it's all about just the team being a little bit more clinical.
It's a matter of concentration at the back because the clean sheet was not only for defenders. I said before, it's a matter of teamwork because defending starts on top. So it's everyone involved. So if the concentration is good, 100%, everything will be good in every position, from the back to front.
Na Tanzania sawia na wenyeji wenza